I'll guide you through requesting a credit limit increase on your Capital One credit card using the mobile app. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. The best part about Capital One is that they perform a soft credit check for credit line increases, so submitting a request will not hurt your credit score. Before opening the app, make sure you have these key financial details ready. Include your primary salary plus any other income you have reasonable access to, like side hustles, spousal income, or bonuses. Your current job status, such as full-time, part-time, or self-employed. Your personal monthly rent or mortgage payment. Know how much total credit line you want to request. To request the card, log into the Capital One mobile app. Tap the specific credit card account you want to increase. Tap Profile in the navigation menu and select Account and Feature Settings. Choose Request Credit Line Increase or tap I want to directly on your card dashboard. Enter your updated annual income, employment status, monthly housing payment, and your desired credit limit. Review your information and submit your request. In most cases, Capital One provides an instant answer on the screen. If approved, your new higher limit is available immediately. Only the primary cardholder can submit an increase request. Authorized users are ineligible. If your account is under 6 months old or you recently received an increase, wait several months before submitting a new request to give your history time to build. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.